£400 is divided between Jacob, Jess and Beth, so that Jacob has twice as much as Jess. Jess has 3 times as much as Beth. How much does Jess receive? Now, this one gives you very, very little information, and I would suggest that one of the best ways of doing this is to either draw some pieces or to use algebra. And I'm going to show you both at the same time. Now, if you ever get a problem like this, or you have to translate something into algebra, it's usually easiest to find the smallest piece possible and call that x. So in this case, Jacob has more than Jess and Jess has more than Beth. So that means that Beth is going to get the smallest piece. So I'm going to label the 3 names. So I have Jacob, Jess and Beth. Jess is my smallest, so I'm just going to call that 1 box, or x. Okay. Now that I know my smallest piece, I can multiply that smallest piece up to label the other people's. So Jess has 3 times as much as Beth. So now Jess is going to end up with 3 blocks, which I'm going to call 3x. Then it says that Jacob has twice as much as Jess. So Jacob's going to have 6x, or 6 boxes. Obviously they're not drawn to scale. So in total, between them, they have £400 to share. So this £400 is going to split between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. So 10 boxes equals £400. So 1 box is going to equal £400 divided by 10. Well, as I've shown you before, when 7 divided by 1, it equals 7. But 70 divided by 10 equals 7. If you change both numbers by the same multiple, or divide through by the same value, you still get the same answer. So in this case, rather than writing 400, I'm going to write 40 and divide it by 10. And then this one, I'm going to do 10 divided by 10, which gives me 1. Well, 40 divided by 1 is 40. So I know that each of these boxes is worth 40. So it says, how much does Jess receive? Well, 3 lots of 40 is going to be £120. And that's my final answer. If you want to double check your answer, what you can do is add them up. So 120 plus 40 is 160 so far. And then 6 lots of 40 is going to be 240. So 240 plus 120 plus 40 does in fact equal 400. So we know we've got the right answer.